Good morning. It is Saturday morning for me, and John's off today, but he went over to get a haircut. And I've got my J-Lab earbuds on right now, and I'm halfway through my morning workout. He already did his. So I thought he left so I would check in with you guys. I have a pile of laundry to fold, just a bunch of stuff around the house to do today. So you know, when the weekend comes and my house is in the state that it is right now, it really gets to me. But we didn't have company coming this weekend. We have company probably 2 to 3 times a month over the, like about every other weekend we have people over. And so that's why I usually go and I'll get steak or, you know, stuff like that, because we'll entertain. And so when I have company coming, it's so much easier to get my house clean. And then when I don't have company coming, I put it off. So we don't have company coming because we have a Christmas party to go to tonight. And it's a casual Christmas party with a club that we belong to, and it's pizza. We're going to a big pizza place. That's my kind of party. I'm gonna head down, finish up my workout for the day, and then I'll check back in. I have a pile of laundry to fold. I'm gonna run my Shark, my little robot vacuum, in my kitchen living room area, and try to get the house straightened up just a little bit today, because it's kind of a mess. And then we have a Christmas party. This is lunch. John decided to make some eggs and grits, and got me a piece of the Killer Breads, Dave's Killer Bread toast, the thin slice. And these are just the instant Quaker grits, but they're good, and got some protein, some carbs, but had a good workout. So that's what's for lunch. And John's having lunch too. Say hi, John.
Hello.
He just got his hair cut, but I don't think he wants to be on camera right now. But you'll be on camera later, right?
Sure.
Because we have a Christmas party to go to. We'll get all cleaned up. So John got back from getting his hair cut. Show off your haircut, babe.
See my haircut?
Yep. And we got cleaned up, and you're not wearing that to the Christmas party, right?
No, I guess not. Not now.
Anyway, I switched to my Christmas sweater.
Yeah.
So it's been tucked away a bit, so I don't know. I might have to steam it. But anyway, so for the Christmas party we're going to, we had to each bring a gift, and around $10, right? It's just sort of a, you know. So we both had things. John actually bought, he's taken a book, and because it's amateur radio, so it's this Prepper, he got himself a book too. It's this Prepper's Communications, 2nd edition, Prepper's Communication the Easy Way. Like he got that book, and then you got a book on, I think this one you wrapped was a different one.
Yeah, it's about propagation.
Yeah, amateur radio propagation.
Yes.
Yeah, like
how do the radio waves travel?
Yeah. So we got those. Well, that gift's the one he's taking, and then the one I wrapped up is a throw that I got at Sam's Club. I was gonna keep it, but I thought this would make such a nice gift. And it's the throw that I got at Sam's Club, the Christmas throw, for $14. So they were both about the same price, just slightly over the cap, but I don't think that'll be a big deal. So. Oh, and then I used this ribbon that I got at Hobby Lobby. I'm loving the ribbon. So my friend Mary Beth went to Hobby Lobby today, and she sent me a text. She said, "You got me. This is all your fault. Now I got to go into Hobby Lobby." But she got in there, and all the lines were so long.
Wow.
That she came back out. She said every cashier had like 25 people lined up.
Wow.
So you can see it's kind of getting dark back there. We're down here by the train tracks, but we had to stop. And get some. John's checking the mail, so we're getting ready to go in. We've got we're about 5 minutes from the pizza place, and we're just at the P.O. box, but they're closed. Didn't get to check the mail. Anyway, on the way for pizza. We got here a little early, and right next door is a Dollar Tree and a Ross, and I'm trying to decide where to go because I can't go into both. What do you think? And then there's a Freight Harbor, but John can't go in there today, right? You're not going into or Harbor Freight. We have a new one by our house, so we're going to go to that one another day. So I'm excited. I didn't even know they had a Ross's over here. Oh, Where do you want to go?
Want to do Dollar Tree, right?
I guess we'll do Dollar Tree. Yeah. Although I wouldn't mind going to Ross's, but yeah, they're open till 9, so we'll go in. Lots of Christmas decor. Still fall stuff's out. I think these they had last year are very similar.
Mm-hmm.
These are really pretty. Those would be cute as package embellishments.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, these are really pretty too. Might have to get some of those. What do you think?
Today? Right now?
Well, no, we don't have to. We used to have to go back out to the car to get our stuff. Oh, look at the pretty picks. They really have some pretty Christmas picks here. $1.25 a piece. Those are really pretty. They're not real big. Okay, so that's one. And then if you want I think these are pretty here with these, but they're separate, so you'd have to buy them separate and put them together. But not a bad price. I don't know, the ones I got over at Hobby Lobby were pretty big. You didn't see them, did you, John?
Mm-mm.
But you will. Yeah, they have some, oh, these are really pretty. These almost look like little jewels in there. Those are really pretty. And they're just, they're kind of small. Really, but like just a few small flowers on there. They have some baskets. I like these that are kind of, oh, those are a little bit slanted on the side. Lots of stickers. These are pretty. Look at these. These are $5. Still pretty though. Nice and big. They're kind of, well, they're the sweater material. Real soft though. They have these 4-foot Christmas trees for $5. Oh, this is really pretty. Now these are all $5. I'm not sure what that does. I really don't know what you're supposed to do with that. I guess. Flame lantern. Oh, okay. So it's supposed to look like a fireplace. So somewhere there must be a button. But it doesn't come with batteries, so I can't tell. But it's a good size, and for $5 for a fake fireplace, not bad deal. And then this, oh, this is cute. Can use the beard to, do you see this, the mustache?
Yeah.
I guess, yeah, it's got the little, but that would bug me when it got to be the 15th and you had to do it like that,
Yeah.
and his mustache is crooked.
Covered up his eyes.
That would not work for me. And these are really cute. Little trees. These are, how much are these? These are $5. That seems like, I don't know, that's kind of seems like a lot. Yeah. these are really pretty, these little cones. That would be cute for a kind of a tablescape theme or something, maybe. Oh, and these giant gingerbread pal that I guess you paint them. These are $5. Oh, assorted jelly beans. So you can eat this cookie decorating kit. Oh, that's cute, John. Mm-hmm. What do you think? Mm-hmm. Okay, they got some really cute things though. Okay. Oh, fake poinsettias. They still my heart because I am not good with those. $5. They're pretty. I like the way poinsettias look, but I'm not good at keeping them alive. I guess we're going to head over for pizza. Maybe I'll come back again another time. So it's dark, but we are here. There's John. Whoops.
I'm here.
There you are. There's a Dollar Tree. We decided not to go back in. But see, there's a Dollar Tree and a Ross's, and I'll be back over here. Where I live, it's like if you have to drive 10 minutes anywhere, it's too far. And this is like across town. Mm-hmm. So it's a good 10-minute drive home.
Yep.
Yeah, it's 10 minutes, and it's just like you think we're driving to a whole different planet. But anyway, we had a really good time. This was a locally owned, it's called Pizza Ranch. Locally owned, and they don't serve alcohol or anything. There was some Christian music playing on the speakers. It was just a really nice kind of family place. Mm-hmm. And they had pizza. They had like it was an all-you-can-eat buffet. It was a little pricey. How much for the two of us?
It was $34.
Yeah, 30. Well, that's only $15 a piece, or about
16.
Yeah.
17.
Yeah. So about $34 total, but that was all you can eat. And I had so it was all you can eat for $34 for the two of us, and we had coffee, tea, water, pop, sodas, and then they had a buffet with all kinds of different pizzas, and then they had another little area where they had the best like fried chicken. Oh, that was good.
Yeah, it was really good.
Not healthy, but fried chicken, and then they had homemade chips, homemade what were those potato wedges, yeah. Green beans, like family style food, and then they had dessert. They had like a chocolate chip cookie pizza and apple pizza and a blueberry pizza, and they had fried chicken and potato wedges and like home style cooking. Yeah. So it was not what I expected. It was definitely worth it. We would definitely come back. It was a really good time. Ooh, it's kind of scary. Okay, so I had to turn on the overhead light because it is dark outside. It's 7:10, 10 minutes after 7, and John and I are like, it's time to go home. We are so tired. we stayed out late. So, gosh, we were only here for, did you change the clock?
No, I think that's the time.
What time? The party started at 6. Do you mean we were only in there for an hour?
Well, we got there about
God, we were there for an hour and a half tops, and I swear it seems like we were there for 3 hours.
Oh. What does it say on your phone?
I gotta check we think we entered a time warp. That's what we think. We think it was a time warp in the restaurant because we were only in there for not even an hour and a half, and that was eating, and that was doing our gift exchange and everything, and visiting and electing new officers for next year. And it seemed I would have thought, if I had to guess, I would have thought we were there for 3 hours. What would you have guessed?
2 hours.
2 hours, okay. Yeah, 3 hours is a lot.
Huh.
Well, I don't know what happened. Like, something happened. Time shifted.
We had so much fun.
Yeah.
It lasted forever.
I think we dropped down the rabbit hole. So, but anyway, I got a bunch of flashlights and for my gift.
Some nice gifts.
I got some really nice flashlights that I will use. in the camper. That was my gift. And then John got some wire strippers, which he's an electrical engineer, so he has like 100 of those. And what else did you get?
What was the other thing?
Oh no, I got wire strippers.
Yeah, you got wire strippers.
I got wire strippers. I got 2 gifts, and I got some flashlights.
Oh, I got a pack of flashlights.
Oh, he got a pack of flashlights. So
Something else.
everybody who comes for Christmas this year I always put little gift bags at the table for dinner. They're all getting flashlights.
We're giving flashlights out.
Yep. All right, well, we're going to head home. We're going to chill out for the night. Hope you guys are doing well. We're going to call that a vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Want to say goodbye?